This bathroom is the second bathroom in the house. It is tiny, awkward, old, so we're gonna take it apart and hopefully make it into something much more functional, much more useful.
See these green joints here? The water in this particular town is very hard water, so it just eats away, and that's what causes that. Looks like they were trying to hide a problem. You got pipes, you got open wires here that are probably live. You want to take the toilet next? These shutoffs never get exercised because most people don't turn them on and off. So what happens is they build up that sediment and stuff from the pipes and the hard water, and then when you do go try to turn them, they're stuck. Obviously the pipes are very gassy today. Oh, there it is. This thing just gurgled out some water. Actually, give me that bucket. Trying to drain all the water out. So in theory, this should slow down. There's still going to be some water that comes out of it, but at least we get the bulk of it done. What is that noise?
Sounds like the water pipes are just making noise. You fixed it.
This is a wall in an existing bathroom that you can push and pull it out. Oh, look at that. We got our friend, Mr. Black Mold.
We did not talk about finding black mold.
Well, it's just on the sheetrock from what I can see. It doesn't look like it's on the wood or anything.
I think we just keep our fingers crossed that it's only here and not everywhere else.
Sassy Susan says there's only going to be black mold in here.
Is that what she says?
I don't know, does she?
I guess.
This is what we really want to know. What's under this, right? Whoa.
Dude.
The water's off.
Okay.
That was not supposed to happen. So that shutoff's not working, obviously, so we're gonna have to probably shut the house off and drain that. Is there a light in here? Oh, that is so not cool. Corrosion's not good.
Did you get the water shut off?
Well, I tried. The main is so old, we need to figure that out.
We're gonna have to call the town, have them shut the water off. We're gonna have to call the homeowner and let them know, because this is obviously an unexpected expense.
Problem is, if that's not working, and they did have some major water leak and they can't shut the water off to the whole house is gonna flood.
It's gonna be like toilet water, but like everywhere. So that's not gonna be fun, because we're gonna have to let them know that this has to be done. That's gonna be some extra money.
You're gonna have to let them know.
Hey, Christian.
Hey, how are you?
Little issue with the main water shutoff coming in. I'm sure you've seen it, it's green. It's not supposed to be green. The shutoff's gonna have to get replaced because it's just not working anymore. But the problem is that because it's on the street side of the meter, we're gonna have to schedule the town to come shut the water off so that we can do that.
Okay.
Anything else, Paul?
Yeah, we found some black mold in the walls.
Really?
So far, it looks like it's just on the sheetrock, so that can just come out and obviously get replaced.
Well, we found it is coming out anyway, so hopefully that's all there is.
So
that's day one.
Just about what I expected, so thank you.
All right,
Talk
thanks,
to you
Christian.
later. So the water lines are covered for now. So what you really want to see, wasn't it?
Yep.
Not much holding this thing up, to be honest. Ready? So the shower is now officially disconnected from the plumbing everywhere. Great success! Fiberglass cut doesn't smell good.
Smells better than toilet water.
True.
I'm thinking if we can get the drain underground, have that drain go straight down, connect to the shower drain, and then have both of them go underground, and then that is where the shower goes to. Just changing the shower, it's gonna take this bathroom from like...
You're gonna want to come in here
right,
and
to a
poop.
place that you don't...
Because it's just gonna be like, I love the tile. You just
I
want to
was
sit on the
thinking-
toilet and stare at the tile shower and the new tile floor and be like, this is an awesome place to poop.
I was gonna say you wanna come in here and take a nice hot shower, and you're just thinking about poop.
No, because you can poop
All the
and then
time.
take a hot shower, because then you'll cleanse yourself. So it's a twofold process. Work smarter, not harder.
We're back where Paul broke the toilet. The homeowner doesn't know what we're doing, and they're having us pick all the finishes.
Is a secret squirrel project. They don't know any colors being picked. They don't know the vanity. They don't know the tile.
They said, surprise us.
They said, screw you! You guys pick them!
And they said it better be magazine worthy. So no pressure, and we gotta really get it done. Ended up doing a custom vanity because it is such a tiny bathroom, a regular vanity won't fit, which is good because then I can pick whatever color I want that will work.
How about twilight blue?
That's gross, that's not even paint.
This is totally paint.
You're not helping.
I'm not supposed to help, am I? I'm just an intern for you.
You're about to be a fired intern.
Deep secret.
It doesn't have a color to it. Like I wanted to have a color.
I would say that's a color.
Yeah, but it's gray. Like if you put that next to this one, this is the winner. Hopefully they like it because they have no idea what we're doing.
Let's just say that they're a fan of our work.
It's getting real now. I gotta get down on the floor and work.
They love their dog. We should match the paint to the color of the dog. Where's Timmy, little girl? Woof, woof.
You gonna help me pick the paint color? Oh, she's gonna lick me.
Oh.
That was.
That's a moment. Which tile do you want to pee on? Because you're going to pee on one of these. Okay, you're free to go.
Thanks for helping out, Roxy.
Yep.
Should probably put her back upstairs so she's out of this mess.
Come here, Roxy. Want to go upstairs?
I want to see with my other paint books, but it's either going to be those or this.
Susan, how did you pick out those beautiful paint colors?
I couldn't do it without Paul. Thank God for Paul.
You heard it here first, folks. She can't do anything without Paul.
It was just gross.
If I stood in the shower, my shoulders touched both sides and my head was higher than where the water came out.
It was embarrassing for people to come. The only parameters I gave to you is I wanted it to be magazine worthy. It's just nice to want to come home and want to have people to our home. I trust you guys and I think you do amazing work, and so I'm excited for the final icing on the cake.
Are you ready to see a magazine-worthy bathroom?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yes.
All right, let's see it.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my God.
Oh my God, the door! I didn't want a curtain and it's not. What? Totally not what I expected. Oh my God, Christian, look! French doors! The stone is so pretty. It just brings out the color on the tiles. Every detail is just perfect.
There's a light in the shower. The vanity's custom.
I didn't even see the vanity. I was so surprised by this.
The vanity's custom because this bathroom's so small we couldn't fit like a regular sized vanity in here. We ripped open the whole floor and repiped.
I don't know why I was expecting darker walls or something.
I didn't want to make it dark because it's such a small
I
bathroom.
don't know how you guys get better and better and better at what you do, but somehow you always take it to the next level. I always wanted a vessel sink, but I've never found one that worked in the house. This is perfect. This just took it totally out of my hands and this pushed me to a place I never would have gone. And that's what's beautiful about it. I can't believe it's the same space. Love it. Thank you.